Guest of honor, Dr. Pankaj Kaushal, Director.
I hope the sessions and the dialogues held during action plans to strengthen our also increasing, and it is therefore timely and highly we need to focus on climate resilient productivity and ecological balances, resources and farmers alike. I also and Fodder Research Institute Jhansi and once again I thank to our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Honorable of Science. And let us all work with a shared vision to strengthen our goals of food and nutritional security of our country.
Guest of honor, Dr. Pankaj Kaushal, Director.